Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to install this Custom Dynamics ProBEAM Fillerz LED light on your 2018-2019 RoadKing. Let's get started. All right, first we need to start by removing the bags. In order to do that, lift up your top lid and with these two quick disconnectors, just unscrew the bags. With your bags removed, now remove your main rider seat. Once your seat's removed, locate the 6-pin connector and disconnect. With it disconnected, use the supplied adapter and reconnect them. With the supplied 3M alcohol swab, just break it open and clean this surface here real well. Now, those lights are actually a 3M, so we want this to stick, so we want to keep it clean. Our next step is to mount the lights. Make sure you check and see which side's which. We're going to install the right side, so we're going to use the R. Remove the 3M backing, route your cable through the hole, and press in your light. Make sure it is evenly placed through here so that the 3M is touching around all sides. Now we're going to route the cable along this fender strut here, and with the provided zip ties, just secure it out of the way. Once we route that all the way through, we want to locate for the right side the brown, blue, and black connector and connect the two. Now let's repeat that process for the left-hand side. All right, so now that everything's plugged in, now we just test it. Turn your bike on, and you'll see that these run as both running lights and turn signals. So you can see the right one works, and the left. And that really finishes the install. The next part you're probably wondering is, what do I do with my old OEM turn signals? Well, that's pretty easy to get rid of. Check out our other video of how to change your license plate or a license plate relocator, and that gives you the full details on how to remove that. Really, it's just a couple bolts underneath the fender and a wire to unplug. Make sure when you head over to jpcycles.com to enter your bike to make sure you get the proper fitment. Easy install, get out there, use them, and enjoy the ride.